Hi guys, welcome to the Pepcoding. In this video, we will learn about taking input in Python. For taking in Python, we will use input built-in function. This will take the input from the user and assign the value to the variable. Let's see how. Now, for taking input, let's say we have a variable n. The built-in function is input. This function will give the user input to the n. If we print the value of n, we can see the user input. Let's say if we give the input xyz and run this, our output is xyz. Inside this, we can also print a prompt. This will also print the output like this. If we print this, enter the input, this will print like this. So here n is a variable and we are taking input which have no type. We don't know which type of data the user is giving. If we want a fixed specific type of data, like I want a input type, so we will use typecasting. Here I am using typecasting int for the input. Inside this will input the data. Any data will be stored in the variable will be of int type. Let's see. Here I am giving a string, so it should give an error. Here it is giving an error. So this is a string. We need to take the input in int form because we have typecasting it. Let's say we are entering the data like this. This is an integer. Now run this. Here we can see the output. The integer value is saved in n. We can use this as a string str. I have typecasting it in string. Now here this n7634 is in string. If we want to give any string, this will take it as a string. So this is the way of taking input in Python. Hope you understand this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.